Meanwhile, ahead of next year's big assembly election in Tamil Nadu, the main opposition DMK seems to be headed for a war of brothers. DMK patriarch M. Karunanidhi's elder son, M.K. Azhagiri, is mulling launching his own party. Speaking to India Today, M.K. Azhagiri kept his cards close to his chest and said that there's no decision as of now, and that if it is taken, it will be only after holding discussions with his supporters. Azhagiri's independent course may impact younger brother Stalin's political future as chief of the DMK. Meanwhile, possible names doing the rounds for this proposed party, if it happens, include Kalaignar DMK or KDMK. It's also being learned that Azhagiri may meet Home Minister Amit Shah when he visits Chennai on the 21st of November. That's this weekend. The Tamil Nadu BJP chief L. Murugan has said that Azhagiri is welcome to join the BJP if he wants to. Remember, Azhagiri isn't part of the DMK anymore. He was kicked out from the party in 2014 for anti-party activities. It was a pretty vicious divorce, as it were, between him and the family and the party itself. And he's been out of politics, or at least active politics, ever since. The move will be a big challenge to the DMK, especially because Azhagiri is quite popular. He has a big following in the Madurai area of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
நேற்று சும்மா ஒருத்தர் யாரும் தெரியாம தகவல் கூட்டம் அது இதுன்னு தவறான ஒரு பேசுறத வச்சு மீடியால போட்டாங்களே தவிர அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கூட்டமும் ஒன்றும் போடல, ஒன்றும் எந்த முடிவும் எடுக்கல. ஏதாவது எந்த முடிவு எடுத்தாலும் நான் என்னுடைய ஆதரவாளர்களை அழைத்து பேசிட்டு தான் முடிவு எடுப்பேன்.
சார், இப்போ பிஜேபி தலைவர் முருகன் நீங்க அவங்களோட இணையறதா இருந்தா நாங்க உங்களுக்கு ஆதரவு தருவோம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
அவர் சொன்ன கருத்துக்கு நான் மகிழ்ச்சியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் அவர் அவருடைய சொந்த கருத்தை அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
No, see, I didn't receive any official communication, or I didn't spoke with Mr. Azhagiri also. I don't know anything. If he comes, see, we are open. So many persons are joining in our party. If he comes, he wants to join our party, we are welcome. We are ready to welcome to him.
Akshaya Nath reporting all aspects of this story joins me live now. Akshaya, you know what's going on? Azhagiri has been in the political wilderness since 2014, clearly biding his time before making some kind of a comeback. This appears to be his opportunity. The BJP says he's welcome into our party. He's keeping his cards very close to his chest. What's the sense you're getting?
Well, Shiv, this has two aspects that we'll have to look into. One is that, this could be a call towards the DMK to take him seriously, because in 2018, soon after the demise of DMK patriarch Karunanidhi, we had seen that Azhagiri had made the noise stating that he wants an entry back into the DMK, and without him, the DMK will not function effectively. This was a statement made by Azhagiri in 2018. And after that, we had seen that the party had coronated Stalin as the chief of the party, and the party went on. They won the Lok Sabha elections in a massive manner. And now, ahead of the 2021 election, it seems like Azhagiri is once again making the noises. And this could be something that can have, two-way effect. One is that it can have a serious damage to the DMK if in case he's able to, bring back his political strength in Madurai and down south, which was his stronghold during the time when Karunanidhi had made him in charge there. And another aspect is that this could just fizzle out into something else as well, because the BJP is looking at strong leadership in the state. They have been trying to garner as much support as possible. So Azhagiri, who can have the potential to break into or eat into the DMK's vote share, could be a good addition to the BJP. So that is something that will also be looked at this point of time, Shiv. So these are very interesting aspects that are coming ahead of the election. Just 6 months to go, and there are a lot of new factors in Tamil Nadu politics, like Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan, and even the new way in which the AIADMK is functioning. And finally, the BJP, which is also trying to make inroads into the state. So this is a very crucial time for Tamil Nadu as far as politics is concerned, Shiv.
Interesting times before this big election, the first big assembly election in the absence of both Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi. It's going to see the progeny of Karunanidhi in what appears to be a war of brothers. It's going to be very interesting. Thanks very much, Akshaya. We'll keep reporting those developments there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.